Good morning, sir. Myself, Shiv Shankar Kumar, 20 MCA 0153, and my project report on blood bank system using web services in a cloud environment. And this is our introduction part. And in this part, we know that blood is one of the most critical components of human life, and it is really referred to as a STEAM life. There are a number circumstances where critical need of blood comes. At these critical times, the online blood bank system will come as boon for everyone. The need for the blood is necessary for treatments in medical centers and other hospitals, especially during emergencies. The first aim of a blood bank system is to provide blood on time. Next is the abstract part, and first point is blood is a saver of all existing lives in case of emergency needs. The task of blood bank is to receive blood from various donors, to monitor the blood groups database, and to send the required blood during the need to the hospital in case of emergency. And next point is the problem is not insufficient number of donors, but finding a willing donor at the right time. We want to build a network of people who can help each other during an emergency. This web services timely updates the information regarding the donors, where the administrator access the whole information about blood bank management systems, and donor have to sign up on website and enter an individual's details like name and phone number and blood group. In the urgent time of a blood requirement, they can quickly check for blood bank or hospitals matching a particular or related blood group or direct contact with person and reach out to them through the web services. Blood bank website provides a list of blood banks in your area. And next point is this project requires an internet connection. We will find a nearby donors and to selected the nearby hospital online instantly by tracking its location and notification regarding blood donation campus health check of drives etc, and the area will also be notified on the blood bank web services. This application reduce the time to a greater extent, that is searching for the required blood through blood banks and hospitals. Thus, this application provides the required information in less time and also helps in a quicker decision making. It basically bridges the gap between donor and the receiver. It provides better blood management and storage. Next is methodology and tools. First point is website is to be deployed on IBM cloud. And next point is we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make front end of our website. And next point is we use a cloud server in a backend to store our database. And next point is we have provided security for authenticated user. As a new user have to register according to their type of prospective and existing user have to log in while registering to check whether the donor is giving correct information about his blood group. We will ask the donor to upload his or her license or any government ID proof or blood report by doctor on which blood group is mentioned. Next is proposed system. The proposed system blood bank management system is designed to help the blood bank administrator to meet the demand of blood by sending and or receiving the request for blood as and when required. The proposed system gives the procedural approach of how to bridge the gap between donor and blood banks. And next is home page of our website. This is home page. And next is be a donor section. In this section, donor can registration by the enter their donor name, gender, age, mobile number, blood group, email, city, and then register from here. And the next is request blood section. In this section, users can request for a specific blood group and enter their name, gender, age, mobile number, selected blood group, and email, deadline, and details, and send a request. Next is campus, and next is contact us. Users can easily contact us through leave a message and their enter their name, email, mobile number, and subject and send us like this. Enter their name and email, mobile number, and subject regarding blood campus or blood group and send us. Next is about us and next is admin. This is admin part. In this part only admin can be access and log in, enter their username and password. And thank you. This is our project review.